This is a how-to video to make boba pearls from scratch. First, you put 60 grams of water and 45 grams of brown sugar into a pot and bring it to a boil. Once it starts bubbling, turn off the heat and add a tablespoon of tapioca starch. Mix it in until there's no more clumps. Next, add in the remainder of the 90 grams of tapioca starch and continue mixing. A ball-like dough will start to form. Continue kneading until you get a smooth, consistent ball. On a clean floured surface, roll out your dough to make a long, thin string. Fold your rolled out dough into fours and start cutting. Here I'm using a teaspoon. Next, enlist some help to roll out the dough. Here I have two very willing minions to help me. And this is how it should look like when it's all rolled out. Bring a big pot of water to a rolling boil. Then add all the rolled out balls into the boiling pot. Keep stirring to make sure nothing sticks to the bottom of the pot. And let it continue to boil for 20 minutes. Turn off the heat, put a lid on and wait for 20 more minutes. After 20 minutes, it's starting to look like bobas. In a separate pan, heat up 35 grams of brown sugar. Once the brown sugar is melted, add in the boba pearls. Continue mixing until it's well combined. Lastly, fill up the glass with some boba pearls and swirl it around like so. This will help to coat the walls of the glass with some brown sugar. Add your favorite beverage or milk tea to the glass. Here I added some milk for a kid-friendly version. Enjoy!